going to say today some observation of cardinality. Let f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Then what my question, what can you say about cardinality? F from A to B. Have you understood? Cardinality of B always greater than equal to cardinality of A. Have you understood why this is? Let's see one example. Let this is A, this is B, this is domain and this is codomain. Let number of elements of A is 1, 2, 3 and elements of B, D, B, C, A. Let 1 maps to D, 2 maps to B, 3 maps to A. Have you understood? And this is example of injective function but not surjective. That means in injective function cardinality of B can be greater than cardinality of A. That means number of elements of the B can be greater than number of elements of A. Have you understood? Okay. When F is on 2, then no elements of codomain set is left out. You know it. Then cardinality of A less than equal to cardinality of B. That means number of elements of the domain set less than equal to number of elements of the codomain set. Then it will be on 2. Just think. Why less than? And when both together, cardinality of B greater than equal to A, cardinality of A less than equal to B, when both together, then the function is bijective. That imply cardinality of A equal to cardinality of B. Okay? Right. Now, show that cardinality of Z equal to cardinality of 3Z. How I will prove it? Just think. Let phi from Z to 3Z be a mapping given by phi of n equal to 3n. Then we have to show phi is 1 1. That means let two elements AB belongs to Z such that phi of A equal to phi of B. That means 3A equal to 3B. That imply A equal to B. Then phi is injective function. Have you understood? Okay. let y belongs to 3z. Then if x belongs to z such that x equal to y over 3, then phi of y over 3 equal to 3 into y over 3, that equal to y. That imply phi is onto. Then phi is both 1 1 and onto. That means phi is bisective. That imply cardinality of z equal to cardinality of 3z. Have you understood? Okay. Now I am going to prove Cartesian product of two countable set is countable. Let us consider the set A equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, Am dot dot. B equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, Bn dot dot. Then A cross B will be equal to A1, B1, A1, B2, A1, B3, A1, Bn dot dot. A2, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3, A2, Bn dot dot. Am B1, so on, so on. Am B1, Am B2, Am B3, Am Bn, so on. Have you understood what is A cross B? Just see. Let us define a set AI equal to AI comma Bn, where n belongs to natural number. Have you understood? Just think this relation. Then what is A cross B? A cross B equal to union of I equal to 1 to infinity AI. Have you understood? Second, AI intersection AJ equal to phi when I not equal to j, because elements of first line and elements of second line no similarity. Have you understood what I can say? And each AI is countable. Why? Because if I consider first line A1 B1 equal to 1, A1 B2 equal to 2, A1 B3 equal to 3 dot dot A1 Bn equal to n, then it is 1 1 corresponds with natural number. That means each AI is countable. That imply since A cross B equal to union of countable set, hence A cross B is countable union of countable set. That imply A cross B is countable. Have you understood? Because in my previous video I have discussed countable union of countable set is countable. Just see my previous video. Okay. Right? Just think. This theorem is very important for IIT JAM, NET, TIFR, any competitive exam. Now I am going to see the cardinality of Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of the set A and B, we all of us known, is written as A cross B is A cross B equal to AB, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Let's see one example. Let A equal to AB and B equal to 1, 2, 3. Then what will be A cross B? A cross B equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Have you understood? Notice that the number of element of A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements of A cross B equal to 6. Which is equal to number. Let's see. The number of elements of original element A is n of A equal to 2. And the number of element of original element of the set B is n of B equal to 3. And observe that n of A cross B equal to 6. This is equal to 2 into 3. Have you understood? That means actual formula of Cartesian product. Actual formula of the Cartesian product. Formula of Cartesian product n of A cross B equal to n of A dot n of B, where n of A is the number of elements of original set and n of B is the number of elements of original set. That means cardinality of A cross B equal to cardinality of original set. That means cardinality of A into cardinality of original set of B. That means cardinality of B. Okay. Let three sets A, B, C. Then what is A cross B cross C? Equal to set of all members A, B, C, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C. Have you understood? If n number of sets then A1 cross A2 cross dot dot AN equal to product of AI, where I varies 1 to n. That means that this will be A1 A2 dot dot AN, where AI belongs to A, where I belongs to 1 less than equal to I less than equal to n. If cardinality of A equal to n, then A cross A equal to what? A square. And what is the cardinality of A cross A? This is the formula. n of A cross B equal to n of A into n of B. That means cardinality of A cross A equal to A square. This is equal to cardinality of A into cardinality of A. That means n into n, this is equal to n square. That means cardinality of A square equal to n square. Have you understood? What is the cardinality of the Cartesian product? And this formula is very important for any competitive exam. Okay, see you soon. Bye.